Get the net over the head. Watch the tail.
Chain's ready. Move the cage closer now.
He's secure. Lift him up.
Master the chaos. Master the process.
The origin is untamed. The world's most lethal dragon thrives in a realm of shadow, a living relic of ancient power and a masterpiece of evolutionary design. The journey from apex predator to high-end luxury begins where nature is at its most dangerous. An elite team of animal wranglers has just arrived. The extreme novel process team is on the ground. The mission starts now.
Settle it down. Don't let him scatter. I want a clean perimeter. Get the net over the head. Watch the tail.
Chain's ready. Move the cage closer now.
He's secure. Lift him up.
Get back.
We did it! We did it!
The journey begins at the gates of the industrial complex. These are the world's most formidable predators, arriving in high-security transit to begin a radical transformation. The process starts with raw preservation. Grade A. Komodo hides are delivered encased in mineral salts to arrest all biological decay. Technicians immediately begin the grading process, using calibrated silver instruments to measure thickness with surgical precision. Every millimeter counts. Inside the heart of the facility, massive oak drums rotate in a constant rhythmic cycle. An alkaline rehydration bath opens the prehistoric fiber structure, while high-speed mechanical blades strip away excess tissue. This is the clinical separation of nature from industry. Witness the transition. Chromium salts are introduced, triggering a permanent chemical bond. In an instant, the organic skin becomes wet blue, an indestructible rot-proof material, stabilized for the next century. Heat and tension are applied. The hides are toggled on steel frames and moved into the thermal furnace. This process locks the unique scale pattern in place, ensuring the texture remains vivid and structural. Refinement is automated. Friction polishing at 5,000 RPM creates a natural mirror-like gloss. Then, laser-guided cutting heads extract the master patterns, ensuring zero waste of this rare $250,000 raw material. The final assembly is a study in patience. Master artisans guide the leather through high-pressure stitching, joining the sections at exactly 8 stitches per inch, from the jungle floor to the rotating pedestal. This is the pinnacle of luxury manufacturing. This is extreme novel process. Most people look for luxury. Only a few look for power. These are the Apex Collection. Crafted from the world's most resilient exotic hides, this isn't just leather. It's a 3D architecture of nature. Supple, durable, unrepeatable. From the armored texture of the scales to the investment-grade prestige, this is the new standard of rarity. Extreme novel process. Master the craft. Own the impact. Hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.